Now, to dive into the battery, tell us a little bit more about the battery, the technology. How is it different from traditional batteries that we use?
So the battery that you have in your cell phone, laptop, tablet is all one particular architecture. And you could think of it like layers of paper, and then you're going to paint on each piece of paper and then either stack those layers or you roll them. So that's a two-dimensional architecture. And the problem is that if you want to store a lot of energy, you have to make each of those layers really thick. And that means you can't charge or discharge the battery very fast. If you want a high power battery, say for something like a power tool, then you need to make all those layers really thin, but then it's not a very efficient way to pack a lot of material. And so there's no way to decouple those two things from each other in a regular architecture. When I started as an assistant professor, I was reading a lot about 3D batteries. And so that's a very different kind of architecture. Think about it like the difference between living in a high rise apartment building versus a walkout ranch. In a high rise, you can put a lot more people if you just go up, but they're all on pretty small floors and they're pretty close to an elevator. So you can still get in and out pretty fast.
Mhm.
So for a 3D battery, it's the same idea.